What's up, guys? Today I'm gonna play some rivals. I'm gonna beat some tryhards. Alright. I know I've been posting videos late. Like, I posted 3 videos so far. And I said day 4, day 5. I'm gonna make a day 6, alright? So, yeah. About to beat these bums. Yeah. Alright. Where these garbage men at? Dog water. Where these dog water people at? Okay, I'm gonna do a 1v1. I'm making plenty of videos lately. Yeah. Come on, Dino Kid. Come on. Or whatever his name is. I play 99 Nights. Oh. Ooh! This is a good one. Holy crap. Okay, so are we gonna do knife or gun? Alright, we're gonna do station. This is gonna be a tricky one. Alright. Let's get ready and get into the video. Look, my cat. It's pretty sick, right? Alright. Pretty hard, huh? Where's he at? God, he's shooting for somewhere. Where's this garbage man at? Dog water. You're dog water. Get out of here. What? I don't see you. I don't see you. What? I'm lost. Where's he at? Hold on, I'm gonna stab him. Hold on. Where's he at? Where'd he go? Oh my god! Holy crap! Yeah, I gotta lock in chat. I gotta lock in. Get out of here! Dog water, man! Get out of here! Cooked! Get out of here! Yeah, cooked, buddy. Yeah, cooked. Alright, don't come back. You're cooked. Don't come back here again, bro. My brother. After this round, you ain't coming back, alright? You're not gonna 1v1 me again, alright? Take the accept and you gone, bro. You gone, brother. Get out of here! Oh! Oh, crap! Alright, I see what you're trying to do. Alright! Alright, you wanna do that scythe thing again? I gotcha, buddy. Where you at? Where you at? I ain't scared of you. Little sniper head. Whatever it's called. I don't know. Alright. St. Patrick's Day, bro. You're officially a beggar. Literally. You got the beggar skin, bro. That's trash. Looks like garbage in a bottle, honestly. Yeah. Dog water, man. Yeah. Get out of here! Take this, yeah. My cat hate you, dude. Get her. He's gonna rub your poop at. What am I supposed to? He's gonna rub his poop on you. Cause you're so trash. You're trash. You're dog water. Cat water. Literally. Yeah! Get out of here, you stupid. Get out of here. You're cooked. 215. I'm not so surprised, you know? I'm not so surprised. This dude could have done better. are you doing? Alright, see ya, guys. 13 streak gone. I'm gonna keep doing these videos, alright? Thank you for watching. See ya. Peace out.